In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post journal entries to bank accounts in Xero. It's important to understand right from the start that Xero deliberately prevents you from posting manual journal entries directly to bank accounts. The reason is simple: Xero is designed to keep your general ledger aligned with your actual bank statements. So if you try to choose a bank account code inside a manual journal, Xero will either block the transaction or show a validation error. The recommended workaround is to use a clearing account. This gives you a clean and reliable way to record a more complex multi-line journal entry, while still allowing the actual cash movement to be matched properly against your real bank activity. To set this up, go to the top menu, select Accounting, and then choose Chart of Accounts from the drop-down. From there, click Add Account. Set the account type to Current Asset, then enter a unique account code and name the account Bank Clearing Account. Make sure you check the box to enable payments to this account, and then click Save. This clearing account acts as a temporary holding place for the cash side of the journal, which is what makes this process work smoothly. Once the clearing account is ready, you can post the manual journal. Go to Accounting, then Manual Journals, and click New Manual Journal Entry. Enter your standard journal lines as you normally would, such as debiting expenses, liabilities, or assets depending on the transaction you are recording. For the cash line, instead of selecting your real bank account, choose the new bank clearing account. Before posting, double-check that your debits and credits are equal. When everything balances correctly, click Post. After that, you will create the cash transaction that connects the journal to your real bank account. Navigate to Accounting and then Bank Accounts. Select your actual bank account. Click Manage Account, and choose Spend Money or Receive Money, depending on whether cash is leaving or entering the account. Enter the transaction details and make sure the total cash amount matches the amount used in your journal. For the coding, assign the transaction directly to the bank clearing account, then click Save. This final step is what clears the temporary balance and allows the movement in Xero to reflect the real bank activity correctly. It also keeps your reporting cleaner and makes reconciliation much easier. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.